Randall Brown Thatching Services. Get your QR code for your discount on home improvement, construction, and maintenance repairs via WhatsApp today.
Randall Brown Thatching Services for all your construction and maintenance repairs. Scan the QR code to get your discount via WhatsApp today.
Randall Brown Thatching Services, construction and maintenance repairs from 2026 to 2030. Discounts apply for 10 or 20%. Get your QR code for more information. WhatsApp today.
Randall Brown Thatching Services specialises in all aspects of construction and maintenance repairs, from new thatch roof installations to complete rethatching projects.
We will keep thatching for the rest of the day.
This roof needs to be finished soon.
These reeds are the best we could find.
Randall Brown Thatching Services, construction and maintenance repairs. Superior Thatch Masters is proud to launch a spectacular 15% off.
Ja, dat is hier dat als mijn dek geel touwtje, ik klas dit verlaten. Jullie kan zien. Baie prachtig. Jullie kan zien, fijn kopjes. Baie fijn. Verlaten, dat is gewoon wijs hoe leuk hè. Dat hij nog niet prachtig hè. Ja?
Contact Randall Brown Thatching Services today for all your construction and maintenance needs, and scan the code for your exclusive discount.
Visit Randall Brown Thatching Services for all your construction and maintenance repairs. Scan the QR code or message us on WhatsApp for a discount.
Get your QR codes for your discount needs and save today. Call Superior Thatch Masters for all your thatching services, construction, maintenance, and repairs. Get yours via WhatsApp today.
Yes, the tests have arrived. Here's all my new tests now for my deposits and my QR codes for the discount special for the remaining of 2006 till 2030. But only that applies to clients.
Randall Brown Thatching Services for all your construction and maintenance repairs. Get your QR code for a discount via WhatsApp today.